So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3, Points of View. So, my dear students, till now we have completed 2 units, which already I have asked in a unit test. I hope your unit test might have gone beautiful and you have completed your unit test nicely. Now let us start Unit 3 today, Points of View. Activity 1. Read the following newspaper article from the Jalandhar News. Here, one article is given here, which is written by Jatin Singh. The article which is written by him and which is given here. Chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored by Jatin Singh. Jatin Singh wants to tell us that chaos reigns, chaos, lots of noise, confusion will increase when there is no traffic rule. Traffic rules are ignored. At that time we see lots of noise. Jalandhar, January 19. On that date and day it was written. Here orders are made to ignore and rules made to forget. Here orders are made but there was not followed. Rules are made but rules are forgotten. Callous disregarded for public inconvenience on the part of municipal corporation. Callous means a person who is unsympathetic. They don't have any sympathy towards anything. Disregarded means feeling of carelessness or disrespect. So they are ignoring, not paying any attention. They are unsympathetic and they are not having any respect towards rules, towards the government, towards the city. And that will create inconvenience for the people, especially for municipal corporation Jalandhar, MCJ. For them it will become very difficult. And indifference on the part of traffic police is just the beginning of the problem that results in a chaotic traffic situation in the city. And indifference on the part of traffic police, and for traffic police also very Herculean work, very difficult work for them to solve this traffic problem. It is just the beginning of the problem, it is just starting of the problem. Then it will increase so much because one vehicle is put very wrongly, other vehicles also will be parked very wrongly and problem will increase. It is very chaotic traffic. Chaotic means big and lots of confusion or disorder, we can say. The situation will arise in city. In 2006, the MS passed orders banning the parking of scooters and four-wheelers along the tri-junction in front of its office. So in 2006, Municipal Corporation of Jalandhar, they passed one law, one order banning means forbidden or refusing two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers along the tri-junction. Tri-junction means a place where three roads are coming together. That place, in front of the place where three roads are meeting, there nobody should park any vehicle, neither two-wheelers nor four-wheelers. But the road leading from P&B Chowk to Jyoti Chowk is still today overcrowded, but still, though the rule was made, but in P&B Chowk to Jyoti Chowk, from that place to another place, P&B to Jyoti Chowk, the road was completely overcrowded and with randomly parked vehicles. Many vehicles were parked and disorderly, not in a sequence, not in a proper place, very randomly, very roughly parked vehicle there. An official from the MS said, so one later came from office, from government office, one official later came. We have done our part. They said that our work we have done. We passed the orders properly. We passed the order that you should manage discipline for parking vehicle. You should park vehicle properly, not randomly. Now it is not our job to police the street. Now it is not our duty to police or to keep any police officer to control it. Now it is your duty to control and take care. Even though years have elapsed since the delivery of the MCJ orders, even years also passed after passing of this letter, after delivering of this letter, Municipal Corporation of Jalandhar, they order afterwards also. Years passed. We can see no visible effort to correct the problem, but there was no change, there was no correction, there was no improvement in this problem. The problem remained as it is. It looks as if the orders were passed only to complete the official formalities, and it looked like this work was done just for formality, just for showing sake, not for the perfection. But for completing sake only the work was done. It was done just for formality and not for implementation. There was no implementation. No strict action was taken, but just for formality. Just for doing the work government did it. There was no change at all. There was no perfection. There was no strict action was taken. Okay. So my dear students, till here we will see today for our today's session. Remaining part we will see tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye, all my dear students.